I've never seen the track, apart from that outlap there. Jack has only ever run it, and we're about to talk. Stopwatch is on. We're going to do a slow lap first. Take it away, Jack. We're on your Duke. You're going to give us track position, throttle position, brake, and gear position if possible.
Yeah, I think coming down here, it looks kind of flat into turn one. They seem to have done some repair work here. But yeah, braking, I reckon about here, where we are now, more or less.
On the brakes. Tell us when
to turn.
And
then, yeah, we'll ride on those guys, I think. So we have to go around them. Okay. But, yeah, you want to be skimming nearly the curb, sort of just after where they are.
In turn one, yep.
That's it. Pretty much hitting the curb about here. Back on the gas, out nice and wide, using all the track.
Keep the drive.
That's it, right over basically those guys.
Turn first or second there?
That's second gear, and then we're debatable now in between these two. We think we'll be able to keep second here and maybe a little bit of limiter, and then second again.
You'll be on the brakes?
Yeah, definitely on the brakes for this one. Sort of flow through. Try to not let the bike drift too much here out. Try and square it over and then drive it out. So prepare yourself for this one.
Which is 3?
3, drift out and then square it up. You really want to, it looks like you really want to have a decent track position sort of on the inside here to kind of keep it. Use the rear wheel to sort of keep you on the inside to prepare for what is turn 5. Up, I think we're up 2 gears there, so up to about 4th before here. And it's 4th out, yeah, it should be pretty fast. Up to 5th. I think it's after, so sort of keep 4th here, and then I'm pretty sure we go to 5th in between what is turn 6 and turn 7. I think this will sort of be like playing with the gas a little bit. Fast. Really, really blowing crest, and sort of the bike will get light over the top, but it does open up, so it sort of tightens up at the beginning and then opens right up. So I think this is one of the fastest points on the track. Hit the curb in the middle of the apex and then sort of drift out, especially here.
Gear position?
Second gear through there.
And it's turn?
That's turn 10. Turn 10
yeah.
On the thing, and then, yeah, so the second gear, and then again, this is much like turn 1, turn 2.
It looks like you're sort of on the curb there?
Definitely, you'll be tipping in off the curb.
So that's 11, how wide?
I don't reckon you want to be going too wide, like sort of mid-track. Mid to just over mid-track, because you want to prepare yourself for the next one. It sort of drives out really hard. So again, you want to try and get that nice sweeping line in and really be aggressive on the gas through here to try and get it out as quick as possible, because it's kind of a bit of a straight now in between 12 and 13. Again, another little crest here, so you can't really see exactly where you are until you're there.
Yeah, it's blind, isn't it? Yeah. What gear
Which I didn't expect. I didn't expect it to be like that. I think it's 3rd the whole way through here. So what they're hoping is 3rd the whole way through, and then once it opens up through here, I think we get back up to 5th.
This looks like you're slowing down all the way in.
Yeah, so you're sort of close to limiter in 3rd, and then back you leave it in 3rd, and again you want to be as tight as possible about here to prepare it to get it over and drive it out through through turn 14. And yeah, it's up to 5th again through here, so I guess we'll be pulling gears the whole way through here, drifting it. It'll be a bit of fun. And then, yeah, down to what is the last section of the track.
This is breaking into
the turn 16.
Yep.
Which is the second last corner.
Yeah, like you said, leaving the door open.
You'll be leaving the door wide. I mean, you got meters up the inside, but that's where you need to be in order to get the decent exit, which is going to be crucial around here. And then, yeah, heading straight out onto the front straight here.